time of year again where I'm finishing up my final exams and projects at Rice, and winter break is coming up. But before I start my break, I wanted to tell you guys what I did this semester. Both to reflect on my semester, but as well as give you guys an insight on what it's going to be like to be in college. If you're new here, I have 4 similar videos where I talked about my semesters in freshman, sophomore, and junior year. So if you're interested, I'll link those in the iCard above and in the description below. And with that being said, here are the classes I took during my fall senior semester at Rice. To start off, let's talk about the final 2 comp classes that I took for my comp major. The first one is called Comp 412, and it's called Compilers. This class was actually taught by a guy named Keith Cooper, who, for those who don't know, is a pretty big name in the computer science world. And he was one of the first people to actually make the original compilers. In this class, I learned everything there is to know about compilers, from the different types of compilers to the problems that they solved and the problems that they presented. For this class, we had 3 total projects, one of which we built a front end for the compiler, second was a register allocator, and the third one that I'm actually finishing up right now is the instruction scheduler. And we're doing all of this in a special basic language called iloc. For me personally, this class was a little bit lighter than I expected, compared to the other comp classes that I took last year and the year before that. I was able to code in Python for this class, which was really nice actually, and I did really enjoy the projects that we had to do. However, I am not a very big fan on low-level programming and the kind of complexities around how compilers actually work and compile your code. So personally, the lectures were a little bit boring for me, but overall, the professor was really knowledgeable, and I did enjoy the class, I did enjoy the projects. The other comp class I took was Comp 301, Ethics and Accountability in Computer Science. This was actually one of my elective classes that I took. The other one being, I believe it was Comp 315, I might have the number wrong, but it was about data science. And for this class, we learned a lot about the ethics behind computer science, ethics behind technology. Personally, I really did like this class. It was super chill in that most of the class was really discussion based, and the grade was about participation and about discussing on the topics at hand. But just beyond that, I did personally find the topics to be very interesting. As some of you may know, I'm also a cognitive science double major. So ethics was brought up a lot in my other classes, but it was more in the psychological and physiological, philosophical sense. So it was exciting to see it brought up in a completely new topic. So those were my final 2 comp classes that I had to take for my computer science major. But there was actually one other class that I had to take before completing my degree. And that class was Stat 310. Everyone just calls it Intro to Statistics. And this class was actually a class that most people at Rice would take during their sophomore year. But for me, just for my schedule, I decided not to take it during those times, which is why I had to take it now. This class was pretty much your general intro stats course. They talked about probabilities, random variables, point and interval estimation, and all the details that go into that I don't really want to explain. For this class, we had 2 midterms and 1 final, which is pretty standard, I think, for an intro-level STEM class. Content-wise, I'm not the biggest fan of statistics. I find myself having a lot easier time doing calculus, and it was a lot easier for me to do multivariable calculus than intro stats for some reason. And so to me, this was just more like a class that I had to get through in order to complete my major. And the final class that I take was actually for my cognitive science degree. It was Ling 419, otherwise known as multilingualism. And this acted as my final elective class for my cognitive science major. This class was actually taught by my residential college's magister. And for those who don't know, at Rice we have residential colleges that pretty much serve as dorms, and each college has a magister who leads a team of adult associates that help keep the colleges in order. So for this class, we really dived into the topic of multilingualism. We talked about how bilinguals and multilinguals differed from monolinguals, in terms of how they develop, learn, and interact with people. We also talked about how multilingualism affects culture. In addition, we also talked a lot about the technicalities behind multilingualism. So things like language mixing, code switching, language development, and a lot more stuff that I don't have time to go into in this video. I found the topics in this class to be very interesting, but we did have to do a lot of reading which I'm not a big fan of, to be honest. Overall though, I did like this class. I did enjoy the projects and assignments that we did, and I'm happy to finish off my cognitive science degree with this class. Moving on to extracurriculars, since this was my last semester, I decided not to pursue any additional clubs or activities. Instead, I spent a lot of time working on my startup. This startup has been a pretty recurring topic in these videos, so I won't go into depth about it. But to quickly summarize, it's essentially a performing arts platform that allows artists and audiences to do anything from engaging with each other to directly supporting each other. And we're planning on releasing a bunch of new features to enhance all of this. If you're curious, I'll link it in the description below. The last thing I do want to talk about in this video is my plans for the future. For me personally, I did want to go into industry and build myself up as a software engineer in the tech world. And in addition to this, I also want to be an entrepreneur, which is why I've been working so hard and so long on my own startup. And so to help with all these things and what I think is most beneficial for me in terms of my personal growth, I've decided to accept an offer at Amazon. So I'll be working as a software development engineer for Amazon in Seattle starting next year. I'll get the opportunity to work with some really smart people, and I'm super excited for the role. And also, it'll be in Seattle, which is a city that I've always dreamed about and always looked forward to going to. So if anyone is in Seattle, feel free to let me know. And yeah, with that being said, that was my final semester at Rice. I can now proudly say that I have finished my journey through college. The road was not easy, and I definitely had plenty of obstacles that I had to go through. But along the way, I learned so much and made so many great friends. I am planning to make a video talking about this and the rest of my YouTube channel in the coming weeks, so I'll refrain from talking too much about it here. But as always, feel free to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions about college, about Rice, or about life in general, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I always love reading them. Thanks again for watching, and thank you for supporting me through all of this. And of course, I'll see you in the next one.